Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. This is the first week of April. So I'd like us to start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is the Brent oil. We had a very good support here. We had a support. There was a break below the same support. The price again broke and closed above it. As we're talking right now, the price gapped upwards, but is still below this level, which is 87.014. We have two levels. We have this. So as it is right now, we do expect that the buyers will continue to push price to the upper side. The idea is to keep looking for buy positions, expecting the price to continue upwards at least up to 89.108. If this level is broken, that is, if the price goes up and ends up breaking above this line, then we'd like to see a retracement back to the same level so that we can pick a buy position. We do expect that the buyers will continue to push price upwards at least up to this point here. So this here will be the place where we will expect the price to go up to. So this gap should either fill up, we should fill this gap, that is, we should see the price retrace back towards the closing price for the previous week's candle, or the price may continue up at least up to this level. If this is broken, then the price may likely extend much higher. So that's my opinion on that chart. The next chart I want us to have a look at is the natural gas. On this chart, basically, we do have a very good support level. So we have a very good support. We have a support here. We have another one there. So we have like a support. We have a support. We have a support. We have a support here. If the price breaks and closes below 1.957, then we want to see a retracement back to the same point so that the price can continue to the lower side. So as it is right now, this is an opposite scenario to the Brent oil. I want to see a clear breakout, a retracement back to the same level before the price can extend to the lower side. So that's my opinion on that. The next chart is Bitcoin. Bitcoin so far, if you check the 4-hour time frame, we are within a range. We have a very good range. We have a very good resistance. We have a very good support here. If the price can ascend and close above the upper line, which is 28,588.79, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. If the price breaks below 26,81,6.32, then that will be another sign that we are now headed to the lower side. So the idea is to either wait for a sell from this line at the top, or wait for a bounce from the line, this one, to pick a buy position. The other chart is Euro USD. With Euro USD so far, we do have a very good resistance level here. So we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support. If the price goes up and touches 1.09850, which is this line here, then I want us to wait for a clear breakout above it, then a retracement before the price can continue to the upper side. So the idea basically is to watch for price around this area here to pick a sell position. We expect the sellers to push price downwards towards 1.05200. The other chart is GBP USD. This looks like the price is in an uptrend, but there is a very good resistance level here where the price must first of all break beyond before we can conclude that this is indeed upwards. So while the price does not break and close above this line, 1.24456, as long as the price does not close above this point, this should as well act as a good place to look for a sell from. So the idea will be to watch for price from within around this area. If this line is broken, then we want to see a bounce from it to push the price much lower. If the price breaks above it, then I want to see a retracement back towards the same point so that you can pick a buy position. So we will be expecting that the buyers will push price upwards at least up to around 1.29703. The other chart, so US dollar Japanese yen, this is upwards. So this is a very good uptrend. We have a very good trend line. So on this chart, basically, we expect that the price will continue to move to the upper side and touch this level here. When the price touches this point, then this should be a good place to look for a sell from. So the idea is to expect that the price will extend upwards, touch this line, then bounce off from it, then head straight to the lower side. So this right here will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.